Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing even more Build a Boat for Treasure. So this is gonna be the weirdest video we've done so far. So I'm gonna ruin like the server launch in my AFK farm. So this is the AFK farm. And what we're going to do is we're gonna launch it, and then it falls, and the portal is kind of gonna ruin the prank a little, but that's okay. It'll still kind of work. But now, do you see only 5 machines can go by? So we're going to try to like make another a few of these. Like, let's try to do as many as possible. Look, that didn't work. So what we're going to do is let's do 0.1, and what you want to do, actually we can do it all the way over there, and we want it to be as tall as possible. So the hardest part about this prank is to make it tall, because when it falls down it's gonna be like a rock. So we're going to mix materials. I'd never like to do that, guys. Okay. So that can go to the limit, but I can't like scale the limit. So actually we're going to have to use a pure block, and I don't know why I made this white. So here it's tall. And I have so many of the other materials. Like, I've opened quite a few rare crates. I think those are the best value. Hold on, let's see. I don't think anyone was on that. Okay, let's place this. Also, you need to unanchor this to make it work. So many materials. I don't like doing this. How about we turn it like all black so we don't like exactly mix materials? Let's see how that is so far. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm so dumb. All I need to do is actually I can make it smaller. But it can't be too small, because then they can just fly over it. But then it would flip them upside down. Hold on. Let's restart that. Okay. I just realized all of this is unanchored, but that's okay, because when you launch it automatically becomes anchored. Oh. Okay. This is so thick. It can't be like as long, but at least it will still work. I gotta make sure of that. What if it actually makes it to another level and it like survives? What if I turn this into a survive? No, that's too far. This is. How do I have more obsidian than I do with this concrete? I have 400 something obsidian. I have 300 something concrete. Concrete is actually, I think, it's the best value for material. Plastic is pretty good, but you can't beat concrete. That's still not long enough. I want it even longer. Okay, let's actually this the AFK farm might help with this. Like, it'll hold it in place even if it's smaller. That's gonna actually help a lot. Hold on, guys. What if I make it invisible too? That's gonna be cool. Let's actually make it invisible. Hold on. Instead, so we won't see the ugliness. This is how it looks like invisible. Yeah, I've done a few pranking. I haven't done pranking videos, but I've done some pranking in this game by making a wall that's invisible and they can't go through. One of my friends actually found a way out of that prank. And they're actually also a YouTuber. I should be saying their name, but nah. Because they don't do Roblox videos. Oh my gosh. Guys, this looks so ugly. Hate it. I hate this. Too many materials in one go. And guys, I thought... Oh wait, these are the bouncy blocks. Hold on. I'm hearing that sound so much, I'm gonna hear it when I go to sleep tonight. Or it's gonna keep me up when I try to go to sleep. Boom. But guys, I feel like this is tall enough, but I don't want to... I want to use all of my materials. Gold blocks. I'm not gonna be able to use some extra stuff because it needs to be exact. How come it can't become taller than that? Okay, good. So, I thought I can actually make the diorite taller. Yeah, it's okay. As long as it still works. Oh my gosh, this is more than 1,000 blocks, guys. I think this is more than 1,000, like, million. This is like 1,000,000 blocks. Wait, why is the wood the tallest? Guys, is there different sizes of blocks? Like, does obsidian take up 2 spaces? Oh my gosh. It feels like it's gonna fall on top of me, but hold on. I don't want that to happen. Actually, it might. Actually, it's okay if it does because, hold on. That's still 30 more. Guys, I feel like wood is now officially the best material ever. That's all the wood, not even 30 more. Wow, that's sad. Let's do glass. I didn't want to do this, but actually, if you didn't know, glass is actually the same material as ice in this game. So if you like use this thing and change the visibility, it's gonna look like ice. Do you see that? Okay, it's invisible. Hold on, I'm gonna actually not make it invisible. Let's prank these people. 3, 2, 1, launch. Oh my god. They're gonna be so shocked when this happens. Hold on. No! Guys, look how many people got pranked. This just feels so good. And guys, we can do another... Oh, I should have saved that. Oh, I couldn't. But guys, look at all these people. Oh my gosh, hold on. Let's prank. Hold on. Let me reveal it. Let me reveal it. Hold on. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh, hold on. Why it broke? Like it broke. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. Look, all these boats are getting trapped. I feel like there's no more people in this, like, this boat. Are they gonna escape? Nah. Is she gonna find a way out? Let's see. Hold on. Let's confuse her a little. Oh. Hold on, how did that boat get there? Hold on. Let me keep on spawning. No, if I spawn my AFK farm, then... well, it's actually not exactly an AFK farm. It doesn't work. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, guys. God. Is she gonna escape? I don't want her to escape. Hold on. Is there a way I can actually make this? Nah, can't. Oh, she's gonna find a way. I don't want that. No. Hold on, let me say. prank. In the name of you. on prank. Oh, guys, should we actually try to get to the end? I know how to. This is just too funny. My friend joined. Let's do this. I can't do this so fast. Okay, let's Android. Let's tell him. Hi. Good boy. I am doing a YouTube vid. No, he's gonna do the flying glitch. No, I don't want him to do it. Guys, I feel so wrong yet so good. Guys, let's go into our Deadpool suit and let's go into our Deadpool suit maybe. No, I'm gonna actually let him launch. Launch. I am okay. I'm okay. No, he flew. Like that guy, guys. I know he has one of this metal boat. Let's see what happens if that hits it. I feel so good. So I'm gonna get my seat. Let's become Deadpool and do this prank. So what you wanna do? Let's see this. It's like a giant dam. I know another YouTuber did a dam. Guys. I want to show you this glitch, but I don't think it deserved a whole video. I don't think that Deadpool deserved a whole video either. So what I'm going to do is I put a cake and I put 2 pistons. And one of my friends thought of this. His name is Mario Luigi. He thought of this really cool suit. So it isn't my idea. So what you do is this, and then I'm anchored. Select all. Anchor, unanchor. I can anchor those, and that will actually change everything. Anchoring. Where is it? Anchored on anchor. Hold on. Let's unanchor everything, actually. Anchor everything, I mean by that. Anchor. So they're all anchored. And so that means they're unmovable. So I have to unanchor. 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 And unanchor. So now we can move with this. And this is gonna be disturbing, guys. So lever. And I got 6 levers from the rare chest. Guys, look where my wait, what? I'm getting this. This could be another prank that we do. Hold on. Okay, hold on, guys. Can't we? Oh wait, right. If I make it invisible, it's gotta look like there's still gonna be the piston look. You get it? People are so confused with what is happening to their boats. Why are they stuck? Let's disturb him. Hi. Guys, he called this the giraffe glitch. Look at my head. My head. Look at my head. Is he disturbed? Oh, this is so. He can actually sit on my head. It looks so weird. He's like, oh no. Oh, let's actually make an instant. Hold on. He's confused. I feel like he's more pranking me than I'm pranking him. Look. On. Can't I make an instant? I'm going to. He's confused. Let me. I can fly. Like. It's just so weird. This video is already like it's 16 minutes and it's all about a prank. No. Actually, me. He's gonna be confused. Oh, guys, we're gonna get him. Oh, if he doesn't fly the first time. Look, he's so good. Actually, next, and by the way, let's show how. Let's see your metal boat. Oh no, the dog! No. Okay. Yeah, this glitch is super fast. It's like one of the fastest ones ever. So guys, this huge bank, like, I don't want this to be out. How is? No, did I delete one of the parts? No. Okay. So let's actually make just a bunch of huge chunks. Like, I'm gonna keep. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, we need to do this. Like, this is actually a good size. He's gonna suspect something. Let's pretend like we removed it. 100. There. You can't see anything. Okay. Okay, so this is actually, I want to kind of show off his new metal boat. But look, guys, this is kind of cool. Like, I want to show this either way, but it's just so cool that he built this. Oh, he wants to do the cloud challenge. Okay, let's do it. Cloud. I actually already completed this. No, I don't want to clear all the. Can we launch fast? And guys, okay. Oh no. Oh wait. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, so guys, this is actually a like kind of fully functional thing. Like, this is just so cool. Look. It's stuck. It's stuck. Right. The head is on right. Right. Oh my god. He escaped it! How? Oh my god. Okay guys, look, we can kind of survive. So I'm going to do the cloud challenge with Good Boy, and make sure to ask for more of Good Boy. He's a good boy. I'm joking. He is kind of nice, like, as you can tell. I feel kind of bad pranking him, but in the name of YouTube, I have to. So I'll see you guys in the next video, I guess. Bye.